On this particular controller, there are features. There's the digital controller, and then if you look above it, we also have analog gauges. The analog gauges are only for operation while the unit is on. So currently now we'll start the generator, place in the hand mode, and then the green start button. Go through the preheat, which is the engine warming up. The fuel is being engaged, and now after that the engine will crank. Now if you look up, you can see the analog gauges are actually operating. There's a voltage meter, a frequency meter, and a current meter, which current is amperage. Depending on which position you put the switches, you can read line A to B, line B to C, and line C to A. So we're reading the line-to-line voltage there. This is the frequency meter. It works regardless of what position the switch is in. Frequency is the same no matter A, B, or C. The last meter is the amperage meter. Right now you currently have 0 reading, which is because there is no load on this generator. The generator has to be connected to a building, and it has to be operating for you to read amperage. This concludes this section. Oh, there is one more item. There is a timer, which is your hours meeting. If you look between below the frequency meter, it's an hour meter. It's listed as timer. This will tell you how much time the generator has operated. Now we can go through the operating menu. The status menu. This will tell you the operating voltage, line to line, line to neutral, the frequency. If you're carrying any load, it'll tell you the amperage and the kilowatts. Next section is the engine section. This will have to do with oil pressure, water temperature, battery charging alternator, consecutive starts. It'll read the engine fuel pressure, RPMs, and the can operation. The next section will be the generator section. Currently reading line to neutral and line to line voltage. On this unit we're reading 400 volts line to line, 49.9 hertz, which is 50 hertz. No amperage. The generator is not currently hooked up to a building. To turn the generator off, you simply press the red button. We're going to go through some of the connection points on this particular generator. As you can see, there's a main breaker here. We're going to open this door, and you can see for this breaker, there is 3 connection points, which are copper stabs. There's a cable gland here for bringing your cables in up through here, and you would connect either via mechanical lug or crimp-on lug to the 3 outputs, and then also to your neutral and a ground connection. On this particular unit, we use a lanyard system. Your unit would come with a lanyard that would have wires labeled for your remote start connections and for your battery charger input. Not all units come with this lanyard feature. Some units come with a terminal strip. There will be a wiring diagram that would come with your unit that would tell you where to connect on that terminal for your battery charger and your remote start.